Good Sunday morning. It is the 23rd of November, 2025. A little after 10 in the morning. I was waiting for it to warm up. We're at about 14 degrees outside. Inside my shop here, it is definitely not 14 degrees yet. Not getting any real sun hitting us this time of year. You're looking north, which, as you can see, is just a wall. The roof, the south wall, and the west wall are plastic, translucent, but yeah, not a lot of heat coming in at the moment. Not a lot of light. It's that time of year. So today, since I have injured my knee somehow, I'm almost back to normal now, but still in a bit of pain. We're just going to do some cleaning up of the shop today. Something I've been putting off, but something that's not too physically demanding. Maybe go into town and do some shopping later today. Tomorrow's a holiday, Labor Day in Japan. So yeah, long weekend. Might as well do something useful during it. Saturday morning. It is the 28th, 29th of November, not December yet. And yeah, my GoPro decided that nothing I recorded the other day was important, so that's gone. But I did want to give a follow-up to cleaning up the shop. We're, 90% of the way there. Good enough for the season. I swept, but all those leaves blew in the last time I opened the door last night. See, the tools are a little more organized over there. Got this. The sandbags don't have a better home. They just live there. I still need to sort that out when I bring in the last of the stuff that's outside. Just ongoing trash that is difficult to throw away. Well, this is just plastic. I just was waiting for it to get full. The rest, there's only like once a month or so that we can get rid of all these. Yep. Organize things in here. And I organized the carport, which I will show you. Thank you as always for watching. If you enjoyed this video, please do give us a like or a subscribe. Leave a comment. It helps out the channel, helps us grow, helps people see us. Maybe someday I can make a few cents doing this. A few yennies. I hope you have a great rest of your day. Bye-bye.